In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money from Whop music royalties. And just to show you I'm not just chatting, here's an example of one video that I posted to Whop with music royalties that was able to get 3.5 million views and generate me an extra $175 on top of the money that I was already making from the TikTok creativity program. This is literally just extra money that I was given for putting a song on my video. So with that being said, let me explain exactly how this works and how you can make money doing the exact same thing. Let's get right into it. Now, first of all, some context. I run a bunch of faceless channels on YouTube, so we've been looking for a really long time how to get music royalties on other platforms than just YouTube. YouTube has its own specific way of paying out musicians, so a lot of companies have been able to use that to actually pay people music royalties for just playing certain songs on YouTube. And we've taken massive advantage of this. You can see we've earned $39,000 since September just by adding music to certain songs on YouTube. But for a really long time, there was really no other way to do this with music on TikTok or Instagram. The reason is because these musicians weren't exactly paying to promote their own song on YouTube. It was more just taking an advantage of the way that YouTube pays musicians for the amount of views that they get. A company could then come in and pretty much offer you a split based on how many extra views you were able to get on their song, because they actually got paid directly from YouTube for that. But making money through Whop music royalties is completely different. Instagram or TikTok doesn't pay musicians directly, so the only way that you're actually able to get paid through music royalties on these platforms is if the musician themselves wants to pay to promote their own song. And that's what Whop music campaigns actually allow. So the way this works is you can just open a free account on Whop. I'll leave the link in the description. It's completely free to start. Literally just log in with Google and you'll end up on a page like this. Now from here, you're going to want to go to Discover and scroll down until you see Content Rewards and click See All Content Rewards. Lastly, you're going to want to sort all of these content rewards by music. So now you're just looking for different campaigns that will pay you per 1,000 views, and it's only related to campaigns that are trying to promote music. Now here's the thing, a lot of these campaigns are actually paying for you to clip up a music video, and I know that's not what you're trying to do. So you will have to actually enter a lot of these campaigns and see what the requirements are. Like if I go to this music campaign right here, for example, one of the requirements is that I must clip from one of the assets in the Dropbox link, which these are videos, so I don't want to do that. What you have to instead look for is campaigns that are only requiring you to play the song and not do anything with the video. So if I look through a couple different ones, for example, I might find this one that pays 15 cents per 1,000 views that it gets. If I go to the requirements, there's literally nothing about what the video actually must be. There's really only a requirement for an audio, like you have to use at least 19 seconds, the sound must be at least 90%, etc. And then all they do is they link the audio here, so either the audio on Instagram or the audio on TikTok. And you have to use the official audio that they provide. You can't just add it to the background when you're editing in CapCut or whatever it is. So a campaign like this looks like it would be perfect, and it's literally the exact type of campaign that I actually made money from the first time. From here, all you actually have to do is post according to these requirements and submit essentially the link to the video that you uploaded and then the media from the video that you uploaded as well. Since I didn't record a new reel specifically for this video and specifically for entering this music campaign, I'm not going to do this right now, but essentially this is all you would need to do. And then lastly, you would just need to verify your account. So if you didn't already verify your account, you can just do that by going to your profile, clicking on connected accounts. Then you just have to click on the social media that you want to verify, put in the Instagram account that you want to verify, and then it's basically just going to tell you to copy this code into your bio. This is how they actually confirm that you're an owner of the account, because there's no way you would have been able to put this code in your bio unless you were actually owner of the account or you had some way to actually access the editing of the bio. Once you add this code in, you just click verify and then you can just take the code out right after. And from there, it'll automatically track the views that you get and pay you out based on the views that you get. So in this one, they pay 15 cents per 1,000 views. The minimum payout is 60 cents, which means you won't get paid anything unless you get at least 4,000 views. And the maximum payout is $150, which means that if you get 1 million views, you'll just make $150 for doing pretty much no extra work on your video other than just adding the song. And sure, even if you got like 10 million views, the max payout would still be 150, so I know that can be a little bit annoying. But again, it's still just extra free money, and you can upload this on as many reels or TikToks as you want. So I highly recommend this strategy, and again, I've showed how I've used it to make actually $175 from a single video posted using the person's song. So that's essentially how you make money from Whop music royalties. There's a lot of other opportunities with Whop right now. This is literally just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to how you can make money with Whop, and I have many more videos coming about exactly how to do this soon, because I genuinely think this is going to change how social media works forever. It's basically opening up organic campaigns to literally anyone on the internet. With that being said, my main mission is to change the make money online space through complete transparency. And so you can check either this channel or my unfiltered channel with 50,000 subs. And literally at the end of every single month, I do a complete breakdown of how much money I make and how. And that's really my mission. There's a lot of people gatekeeping stuff in this space. I want to be the one who actually reveals it completely for free and helps people make money that way. If you support support that mission, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, because I'm going to be giving away information on how to make money online that no one else is giving right now, and transparently walking you guys through the process and how much I've actually made doing the exact same things. So with that being said, thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video, and peace.